Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to mute or unmute any contact on Viber. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Viber app and find the conversation with the contact that you want to mute or unmute. This could be any chat in your messages list, whether it's a friend, colleague, or group chat that's been a bit too active lately. Once you've located the conversation, press and hold on it. You'll notice that a menu pops up with several options for managing that specific chat. This is where you can control notifications and other settings without having to open the conversation itself. From the menu that appears, tap on Mute Chat. This option allows you to temporarily or permanently silence notifications from this contact, which is perfect when you need some peace and quiet but don't want to leave the conversation or block the person entirely. Now you'll see several time options appear on your screen. You can choose from for 1 hour, for 8 hours, for 24 hours, or always. Each option serves a different purpose depending on your needs. If you just need a short break from notifications, the 1 hour option works great. For overnight peace or during work hours, the 8 or 24-hour options are ideal. And if you want to permanently mute someone but still keep them in your contacts, select Always. Go ahead and tap the time duration you prefer. Once you make your selection, the chat will be muted immediately. You'll notice that muted conversations usually display a mute icon next to them, so you can easily identify which chats have notifications turned off. Now, if you ever want to unmute the conversation and start receiving notifications again, the process is just as simple. Simply press and hold again on that same conversation. The menu will pop up once more with similar options. This time, instead of mute chat, you'll see an option that says unmute chat. Tap on it and that's it. The contact is now unmuted and you'll start receiving notifications from them again just like before. All your previous messages and conversation history remain exactly as they were. And there you have it. You now know how to mute and unmute any contact on Viber with full control over notification timing. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.